policymakers, business leaders, public servants, our valued partners from the private sector, all of you who have a stake or at least an interest in the future of the Philippine business community. We are at a pivotal moment where we have a real opportunity to shape the business landscape in the country, to make it truly conducive to growth and prosperity. To attain this, the key role of the private sector is crucial as it interplays with government policies. Let me quote a prominent Filipino economist, I think everybody knows her, Zulita Monzon, who as early as 2004, or more than 20 years ago, has emphasized in her article, Key Issues in Philippine Economic Development, where she said, the private sector must be the primary driver of growth. The government's role is to provide the necessary environment for private sector growth. If we follow her advice 20 years ago, Mr. Norman Loaiza here would be presenting a much brighter perspective for the Philippine economy. Yet it is never too late. Thank you for giving us such honest, realistic assessment of how the Philippines is doing. We assure you, Mr. Norman Loaiza and World Bank Group, that the Philippines, through the Anti-REDTIP Authority as the focal agency appointed by the President to lead in the implementation of these rules, will be serious, not only in planning, but more importantly, in the implementation of that regulatory reform frameworks that have been released or issued by the government. Today, our focus is the World Bank's Business Ready Report, a critical tool for understanding how we can streamline processes and make doing business here easier and more efficient.